Today I'll be answering 5 spicy questions you guys have been asking me. Let's go. The simple answer to this is no. The number of times that I get this question is alarming. You need to understand that the urinary tract system in the woman is different from the vaginal canal. It's not like in men where the ejaculate comes out from the same place and urine comes out from the same place as well. It is completely different. So if you feel like you need to urinate after intercourse, feel free, because sperm travels very fast. Once it is released, it goes. What is left is just like seminal fluid, and it comes out and is completely okay. So do you, all right? You're fine. No, you do not. This one is like a complete myth. There's no scientific evidence to back up this theory. Like I said, sperm travels very fast. It's a matter of minutes, and that thing's already out of the vaginal canal into the uterus and is going to look for what it's looking for. So free yourself of that stress of putting your legs up, putting your legs down. Relax. You're all right. I don't even know who had this idea or who came up with this theory, but this is like the wrongest of the wrongest. This is a complete myth. When you drink water, it goes into the digestive system. It is digested. It does nothing. If you want to prevent pregnancy, there are so many methods and things that you can do. You can use a condom, you can use the withdrawal method, you can use contraceptives, so many things. But don't think that you drink salt water and it's going to help prevent anything. No, it will not do anything. If you haven't watched the video where I explained the menstrual cycle, you might want to go and check that out, because there are so many details that I will explain there. But the first thing you need to know is your fertile period, or what we call your ovulation period. And you also need to know that healthy sperms will stay in a woman for up to 5 days. That said, if a woman has a 28-day cycle, for example, it means she ovulates on day 14. Her fertile period is going to start 5 days before her ovulation day, and it's going to end 24 hours after ovulation, so plus 1 day after the day of ovulation. So if she's ovulating on day 14, it means that her ovulation period opens from day 9 to day 16. If you're trying to get pregnant, this will be the best time to have sex with her so that you guys can get pregnant. Also, you need to know that not every woman ovulates on day 14. It depends on your cycle. So the best way to calculate is take the length of your cycle and subtract 14 days from it. So say your menstrual cycle length is 30 days. Take 30 and subtract 14. It means that you ovulate on day 16. Calculate and go back 5 days, you're going to know your fertile window. But anyway, this is the best time to maximize, to do what you can do for her to get pregnant. Honestly, the number of times that you choose to have intercourse is purely up to you and your spouse, but there is no scientific evidence that shows that maybe having sex 3 times in a day is going to increase your chances of getting pregnant by 3 times. Actually, the more frequently you ejaculate, the more frequently a man ejaculates, the fewer the sperm cells in the ejaculate. So what I'll advise you is to have sex every other day. That means have sex today, skip tomorrow, have sex the next day, to maximize the potential for you to get pregnant. So for example, if your spouse is ovulating on day 14, you want to have sex on day 10, skip day 11, have sex on day 12, skip day 13, have sex on day 14, and you can have sex on day 15 as well. The number of times that you want to have sex is purely up to you. It's purely up to the strength that you have, but it doesn't really have any impact on the pregnancy outcome or improving the chances of pregnancy. That's all the questions we had for today. If you have any more questions, leave them down in the comment section. Trust me, I see all of them and I'm going to respond to them. Don't forget to like and share this video to someone that may need to see it. Follow me on all my social media platforms and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.